have in front of me a satellite tripod. You can see the general design of it here. It's constructed of plastic and painted aluminium. So the overall height of it here at its most basic is 90 centimeters, and we can extend it to go up to about 1.3 meters. So the basic idea of a product like this, it's available with standard shipping from us, is that you have you're camping or have a camper van, something like that, and you need to set up a satellite dish in the different locations. So what you'll do is just arrive on site, you extend it out like this, you open it, and then you lock it in. So it's very, very easy to lock it in. So it's easy transported because of the general shape, and then you have the bar that comes up here like this. So this is down at its lowest setting here. So is that coming in okay on the video, picking up top okay? So what we'll do here is we have here. Now I will loosen this off and push it up to the very top. It'll go all the way up to about 1.3, 1.4 meters off the ground. But with a satellite dish, you probably don't want to do this because you're trying to get off the ground so you can get a clear signal, things like that. But you're also worried about its stability. So something like this works quite well. Now the overall bar dimension on this is about 35 millimeters or so. So that makes it absolutely perfect to be used with satellite dishes because it can clamp in around it. So we're saying that probably anything from a 40 millimeter up to about an 80, 90 centimeter dish could be mounted on this. Obviously the smaller the dish, the more stable it'll be. And normally what you'll be doing is you probably try to push this into the ground if it's a heavier dish, or maybe lean something up against it to have it on. But it's quite stable in its own design. It's just that if there's a wind factor, obviously it's a bit of a concern. What I'll do at this point here is I'm just going to rotate this around and drop it down to a lower point. I'm going to shove through this little sort of pin here, and it just means we can lock it into a position here, and we can there. And what I would do then is I'd grab something like, now I'm not going to do this in this situation, but something like this dish here. A larger dish like this, we probably need to push it up higher. And what we do is we just hold it on, and we have the bars, top and bottom, the U-bolts, and we just lower it down over the top of the dish. I won't try to do it here, it's just too awkward. So I like this product well. It's not an entirely mass market product. In terms of it's specifically for the camping market, things like that, but there is a lot of things out there. And the unit that we had before this was actually a little bit smaller, but it wasn't as well made as this. Like, I'm very happy with this, with the overall design of it, and because we've built the market up high, we've actually been able to reduce the price by bringing the shipment directly with our main shipments coming from China. So overall I think it's a nice product. I don't know any that's comparable to it on the market in terms of the rigidity and the price point that it's coming in with, and I think it'll really suit people there. And like, you can just look at the folded size of it here again, so it just makes it absolutely ideal. So that's it anyway, an overview of the tripod for holding satellite dishes, available directly from freetv.ie.